Edit and save apartment-level delivery locations for drivers in the PackageRoute mobile app. PackageRoute users have always been able to save stop notes, fine-tune delivery locations, and add gate codes. Now, users are able to customize stop locations on an apartment level as well. For any stop containing multiple delivery locations, save the exact location by unit number. Select an individual stop you'd like to assign a custom delivery location. You can then edit its location under Stop Details. Rotate the map and zoom in as needed to place the location as accurately as possible. Then, place the target location marker where the delivery should be made. Pressing on Change Location will finalize your selection. Using the terrain filter can help users further pinpoint an apartment unit by providing a satellite view of the building. Once the location is changed, new delivery door icons will mark the specific unit location. This information is saved for all drivers who are assigned this work area going forward. Tap on the individual units to view stop information specific to that location. Have questions? Contact us through any of these channels. You'll always get the fastest response through text. Follow us on Facebook and join our ISP community. Thanks for watching. For more information and signups, visit PackageRoute.com.